Hello friends, this is a project Christmas tree ornament. This is very simple and unique pattern of the Christmas tree. For this pattern I am using 3 color of worsted yarn and one 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start how to make this cute crochet Christmas tree. First I am making the tree portion of this Christmas tree. So I am taking the green color yarn. This is the worsted yarn, and make one slip knot. And make 1, 2, 3 chain and one more chain. This is the foundation chain, and I am going to the 4th chain from my hook and make one double crochet and make one more double crochet in the same stitch. In the first round I have made 3 double crochet. Then I am increasing my stitches in the next round. So here I am making 3 chain, count as a first DC, and turn my work and make one more double crochet in the same stitch, and then go to the next stitch. You make only one double crochet and then go to the next stitch. This is the last stitch. Here you make 2 double crochet. Total 5 double crochet in this row, in this line, and then you go to the next round, make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet and make one more double crochet in the same stitch. You increase double crochet stitch in every round of the and you increase stitches in every 2 sides of the every round. And you increase accordingly. This is the 4th round, and here I have increased my stitches in the first stitch, very first stitch, and make one double crochet in each stitch. This is the last stitch of the previous round. Here you increase your stitches. You make 2 DC in same stitch. And then for 5th round you make same stitch. You make 2 DC in very first stitch. And 1 DC in every stitch except last stitch. This is the last stitch. Here you make 2 DC. If you want to make the big size Christmas tree, then you increase your rounds. This is the last stitch. Here you increase your stitches, one more DC, and this is the triangle shape, and then I am making the 3 chain and go to the, this is the very last round. Here you go to the here and make one slip stitch, and then make 3 chain and go to the next stitch or next round area, and you make one slip stitch, then 3 chain. Here you go to the, here you make one slip stitch, then this is the top part of the tree. Here you make one slip stitch and make 1 2 chain and make one slip stitch in the next stitch, and then make 1 2 3 chain and go to the next stitch of this round. You repeat the same process, same stitch. And then you cut your extra yarn then I am making the trunk portion of this tree. So I am taking brown color yarn you count the last stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 stitches here. And you divided it equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the center portion. You skip the 2 stitches and other side 2 stitches, so you insert your hook here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You skip the 5 stitches. Here you insert your hook. 1, 3, 4, 5 here, and attach your brown color yarn. Make 1, 2 more chain, total 3 chains. Count as a first double crochet and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 more double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then cut your yarn. And then I am making a star. You take your yellow color yarn. If you want to make the another color star, then you can take it. Make 1 slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and go to the 4 chain from your hook and make 1 slip stitch. And then make 1 chain, count as a first single crochet, and make total 10 single crochet in the same in this circle. And then you join it with slip stitch, and then make 1, 2, 3, 4 chain, and go to the second chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet, and go to the next stitch and make 1 half DC. Go to the next stitch or last stitch, you make 1 DC, and then you skip the next stitch and go to the second stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and you repeat the same pattern 4 more times. 4 chain, go to the second chain, make 1 single crochet, go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, go to the next stitch and make one double crochet and skip the next stitch, go to the next and make one slip stitch, and you make the stars of the 5-point star. I have made this 5-pointed star, and then I will attach in my Christmas tree. So you take your craft needle and you attach it. And cut the extra yarn, and your Christmas tree ornament is ready for use. And this is very unique and simple pattern, and you can make it easily. And please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.